What currency is accepted everywhere? The US dollar. In the global markets, the US dollar is predominantly the standard currency unit in which goods are quoted and traded and with which payments are settled in. In the global commodity markets, see petrocurrency petrodollar. Euro, the currency used by the most of countries and territories, the second largest reserve currency and the second most traded currency. Which currencies are supported in payment processing? List of supported currencies. US dollar, USD. Euro, EUR. Pound, GBP. Australian dollar, AUD. Brazilian real, BRL. Canadian dollar, C8. Danish krone, DKK. Which currency is the most expensive? 1. Kuwaiti dinar, highest currency in the world. Kuwaiti dinar holds the reputation of being the strongest currency in the world. Abbreviated to KWD, Kuwaiti dinar is commonly used in oil-based transactions in Middle East. The world's most commonly used currency, the dollar is also the world's reserve currency, meaning it's held in large quantities by central banks around the globe. Commonly known as the greenback, the US dollar is also one of the most commonly traded currencies on the foreign exchange. The US dollar remains the primary reserve currency because it is the most traded currency, and the United States maintains a strong economy. More than 65 countries peg their currencies to the US dollar, while 5 US territories and 11 foreign nations use it as their official currency of exchange. US territories and independent sovereign nations that use the US dollar as their official medium of exchange. Countries where the US dollar is the official currency. US territory or foreign country relationship with United States geographic location. United States of America. Federal Republic, North America. Commonwealth of Puerto Rico. Unincorporated territory of the U.S. Northeastern Caribbean. Ecuador, independent country, northwestern South America. Republic of El Salvador, independent country, Central America. Republic of Zimbabwe. Independent country, Southeast Africa. Guam, unincorporated territory of the U.S. Western Pacific Ocean. The Virgin Islands of the United States Insular Area Territory of the U.S. Caribbean. The British Virgin Islands. British Overseas Territory, Caribbean. Democratic Republic of Timor-Leste. Independent country, maritime, Southeast Asia. Bonaire Kingdom of Netherlands. Municipality, Caribbean. American Samoa, unincorporated territory of the U.S. South Pacific Ocean. Commonwealth of the Northern Mariana Islands, unincorporated territory of the U.S. Western Pacific Ocean. Federated States of Micronesia. 6. Sovereign countries. Subregion of Oceania. Republic of Palau Island country, Western Pacific Ocean. Marshall Islands island country near equator in the Pacific Ocean. Panama independent country, Central America. Turks and Caicos British Overseas Territory, Caribbean. Which country has an euro currency? You can use the euro in 20 EU countries. Austria, Belgium, Croatia, Cyprus, Estonia, Finland, France, Germany, Greece, Ireland, Italy, Latvia, Lithuania, Luxembourg, Malta, the Netherlands, Portugal, Slovakia, Slovenia, and Spain. What is the 6th highest currency in the world? British Overseas Territory. Gibraltar's official currency is the Gibraltar Pound, GIP, and is pegged to the pound sterling, GBP. The pound sterling is accepted everywhere. Euros are only accepted in some places. Does Gibraltar accept US dollars? The currency of Gibraltar is the Gibraltar Pound, written like the British pound with the symbol PS. Both Gibraltar pounds and British pound sterling are legal tender and are worth the exact same amount when spending in Gibraltar. US dollars are not accepted as payment anywhere in Gibraltar. Jordanian dinar, JOD, 4th highest currency in the world. The Jordanian dinar has been the currency of Jordan since 1950. The dinar is divided into 100 kirsh or 1,000 fulus. It is pegged to the US dollar. The Central Bank of Jordan commenced operations in 1964 and became the sole issuer of Jordanian currency in place of the Jordan Currency Board. Omani Rial, OMR. 3rd highest currency in the world. Bahraini dinar, BHD, 2nd highest currency in the world. Kuwaiti dinar, KWD, highest currency in the world. How many countries use dinar? Dinar, monetary unit used in several Middle Eastern countries, including Algeria, Bahrain, Iraq, Jordan, Kuwait, Libya, and Tunisia. It was first introduced as an Islamic coinage in the late 7th century CE by Abd al-Malik, the 5th Caliph, 685-705, of the Umayyad dynasty. Can I receive international payments from Visa or MasterCard? Yes! Visa and MasterCard offer their services globally, allowing you to receive payments from anywhere in the world. This means you can seamlessly accept international Visa and MasterCard payments. No matter the currency your customer chooses to pay in, you'll receive the payment in your own currency. The conversion will be handled by your customer's bank at the moment of the transaction. How long do international payments take? Just like any domestic credit card payments, international payments are processed and approved instantly upon transaction. You can expect to receive your deposit within 1-2 business days. Who pays the conversion rates? You can take payments with peace of mind knowing the conversion is handled by the customer's bank, meaning you don't have to worry about paying any foreign transaction or currency conversion fees. Onpassive is getting ready to open the vault of prosperity. Are you ready? When the UPI system for Indian founders is ready, Onpassive will have everyone covered.